Deep subject today. We go back and try to understand, what was a human being like? What was a human being purpose before they take us in the side of the earth? That's what we go discuss today, because yes, we do have a purpose here. We do have a purpose before they take us from the land that we originated from to bring us here in the land of manipulation, where they have cost of living and everything. So we understand that, if you're thinking and, trying to figure these things out already, you understand already that this is not where we're from. And also it's pointing to show you that you're not from here. All the signs you see, all that you can process, show you you're not from here. I mentioned the drinking water, the food, and all that shit. And if we're supposed to be here, we're supposed to see those things naturally, without people have to spice it or put their hands on it to make it good for you to have. You understand, as far as food and water? You understand the most vital things to the human being on earth is those things. Having things where you can, have drinking water and good food to eat and all that. That's a vital part of the masses surviving. But what I'm trying to tell you is, when the government people or this entity have to make food for you or prepare your water for you to drink, you know that we wasn't from here. Why did they remove us from where we from originated to bring us here? Those are the things we're trying to figure out. That's why I'm stuck in this subject right here. Until we figure it out, we ain't gonna move past it. So I kind of dedicate the Tuesday podcast so we can unfold that. You know what I mean? Because we learn it as we going. Because if you don't consider things and think about it, you can't process it. In order for you to, break things down, put it in perspective, then you have to put it in your mind first. Think about these things. These are the things that we're supposed to be thinking about. And the way out. That's it. We're not supposed to consume our mind with anything else. But if you understand that it's a stage world, when I say a stage world, everything is by design. So you have to understand, with the cost of living, and they have to prepare things for you to make it all right and all of this. That put you in a trap mode, if you understand what I'm saying, people, at the mercy of these people. So that to show us that there's a system going on here, that we came in. We came into the system. The system wasn't created after we came here. If you understand what I mean. They brought us into a system. That means when we came here, they already have the lands and everything figured out. Where they're going to put you, how they're going to class you, how they're going to treat you as people. Right here. And in a sense, it might sound stupid, but the whole plan is to make you feel comfortable in here. It sounds funny. The reason why it sounds funny is because we get the opposite of being comfortable, for say. But in an upside down world, we actually feel comfortable. Or we get that sense of comfort. Why? We don't know no better. So yes, people, the stabilization of the human being, meaning they put you in a station. You have a station. I'm going to call it stationary human being, so you can understand what I'm saying. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. When you think about it, do you really believe that's how we should live? The station, the home, the address, the names, these things that they used to tag us for, the system. Remember, all of these things that are attached to us is because of the system. The system got to be able to identify you. The system got to be able to break through and see through you.